Hey there. Today I'd like to talk to you about Zoom on the Mac. How many times have you put an article up on your screen and asked learners to read a portion of that, or you've put a presentation up and you've asked learners to look at a very specific part of it and they raise their hand, hey, I can't see that. Today we'll fix that problem. So I'm at an article online, and the first thing that I want to do is use Safari Reader to get rid of all these ads that are distracting me. So I just come up here, go ahead and hit those lines to get rid of those ads. The next thing that I want to do is zoom in on this middle portion here. So I've gone to Settings, Accessibility, and then found Zoom, and I'm going to use keyboard shortcuts to zoom. And I like to set it to control. You can change this modifier if you want to something different. All this means is that I'm either going to hold down control or option or command to start zooming. So I choose control, and here's how. I hold down control, I use 2 fingers on the trackpad and push forward. That zooms in, pull down, and that zooms out. So I can zoom in here. And if, for example, I get off the screen with the text like it is here on the right, I can just nudge right, and now I'm nice and centered again, and we can focus in on that portion of the page that's very important to us. This can be used in a great way when presenting to either a small group or whole class up on an Apple TV. You can have your learners do this same thing when they're presenting information on the Apple TV, or simply as they're reading something on their Mac and they need to get in closer to be able to read that. So again, holding control back to get zoomed out, and now I can see the whole screen. One more way that I can do that with my trackpad is pinch to zoom. I can go ahead and pinch out and I'm zooming. I can pinch in and I zoom back out. So those are 2 ways now that I've gone to System Preferences, Accessibility, and turned on Zoom, that I can zoom here as an example on a web page, but it works the same on any application now that I've turned that on in System Preferences. As always, I hope you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.